A very good crowd, a Wednesday crowd here at Volleyball Central at the arena in San Juan. You know, these volleyball players also have become so popular. As you know, Mosey,
Sobra.
pag tapos na yung mga laro nila, when they hang around, people always ask for their autographs. Now, I see some of the Ateneo players are up there, and some of the security of the venue are up there with them just in case things get out of hand, because yung mga fans nagpapa-picture sa kanila, nagpapa-autograph, and they've become such celebrities. These players from LaSalle, from Ateneo, from NU, and of course from UST.
I'm just so happy for volleyball.
Yeah.
Ito talaga, this is what we wanted. And well, Mika Reyes on that middle hit stops us from Cuento as we look at this once again.
Perfect.
Late yung yung blocking ng NU, and you cannot do that when you have Mika Reyes on the other side. Oh, that's going to be a long one. Well, kanina pa, no, since from the start, you can see ang daming spiking errors. But you know why? Because now they're trying to risk it.
Yeah.
Oh, both
Yeah.
teams from both teams. Alam nila na may matatangkad na blockers. So ngayon, they try to go for angles. They try to go for check balls.
Overset. Nepomuceno goes to Myla Pablo. Hits the net. She saves that attack and gets a point. 7 serving 9. That girl who scored 21 points against Ateneo had a little battle going on with a lot of the Ateneo players there, and obviously she got the brunt also of some of the comments, but you know, you gotta give it to her for being competitive and not sinking in the attention or the pressure of playing in the highly watched and highly anticipated games.
Well, again, tama ka dun, when people start to notice you, ibig sabihin, you're doing something,
Yeah.
di ba?
And she's had an incredible 4 games so far, even in the losses. Talking about Myla Pablo. And you gotta be happy just for the school, Mosey, because we never really talked about National U in this context since last year lang medyo, the last 2
Dark
years.
horse, di ba? We knew that they were in a rebuilding process,
Yes.
and we kind of expected things last year, but it did fall. So this year, ito yun this is what we kind of expected last year. It's finally coming into place, di ba? Even yung players nila, I think this is a really good bunch.
Yep. It's a great attack from Dindin Santiago. Gumamo unable to handle it, so the lead still stays at 3. Statuesque players today here at the arena in San Juan. As Cookie Salibad, the now setter for National U, as Ivy Perez is down with the dislocated thumb. So she'll be out for the first round at least. That is the word. Even in the last game against Ateneo, she wasn't there anymore. Salibad. Pablo saves it. Jen Reyes, as always, puts it on the other side. They set up Wedge 2. Pablo.
Oh, and
They're
that's
asking for a
good.
check ball?
Yes.
No.
Trying to ask for a check. No go. So, Coach Francis is letting it fly.
Parang umiba yung nang bahagya yung direction ng bola from that angle. From that angle. Again, tayo, Mosey, we have the benefit of the slow-mo. Marzan, single block. Cannot work against Michelle Gumabao.
We know Michelle Gumabao, another powerful hitter coming from DLSU. Matagal na yan
Yep.
You know, in high percentage.
Mamagana ang abante dito ng DLSU. Nice serve by Esperanza, but even a better dig by Reyes, which led to this. Reyes keeps it up. Santiago from the back line. Underhand set to Chu. Delayed by the block. There's a net violation on NU. So Dadang will be dispatched by Coach Francis to replace Marzan. Dadang is the usual starter for National U. But Coach Francis decided to put Marzan as the starter today to match the height. Esperanza again. Nepomucenos in the front lines. He was a little bit underneath that ball.
Well, that was a good combination play. It's just that not enough spin on that spike by Nepomuceno.
7 points. Hindi na nag-timeout si Coach Francis because we are on the verge of the second technical timeout. Abigail Moraño continues to holler at the net.
Service error on Esperanza, but still up by 6 in this first set.
So Myla Pablo now serving. She also returns the favor. So that means second technical timeout, LaSalle in the lead as we get into a Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.